Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite. Today's eBite is going to be a Worldox eBite, and we're going to talk about categories and how to give them special icons to designate different types of categories. For instance, you might have a medical category, and we can actually make the icon be a little nurse or doctor looking icon. Email could have a little email. So there's all kinds of different categories that we can customize the icon for. So I'm just going to show you how to do that today. So I'm just on a different, any screen here. I just want to get to my categories. So you can do this by, you have a client up, you can have your favorites up, you can have whatever you want. But I just want to get to my categories column or be in a place that I can get to edit a category. So this doesn't have a category assigned, so I'm just going to right click and I'm going to add edit categories. This is what I want to be able to get to. And then if I want to edit that, I want to have one highlighted and I'm going to hit my edit button. So right now I'm on deployment and I have all these different icons I can choose from. And now here's just one line, but if I hit my more, I've got like 2 pages of icons that I can choose to designate what I want my category to be. So for deployment, I could go through and look and see if something fits that. There's little cars, there's cameras, there's ribbons, there's all kinds of things. I can go to the next page, and in my example with the medical provider, you can see I've got somebody that looks like, here's a scientist, there's a policeman, here's a little, all kinds of different things that you could choose. And I know that there's one in here that looks like a doctor. There's even a pilot or a pastor. So I mean, here's a nurse. So I could make that be the nurse, or I could make it be this nurse. There's different ones. There's different designations. So I could change that icon, and then every time deployment came up, it would have that little icon there, so it would be easy for me to see. So I'm going to just go ahead and say OK. And I'm going to select that category, and just for this one. And now, just to show you my category, let me move that page over just a little bit. Now I've got deployment, and it is actually tied to this little nurse. So when I'm sorting my list, it just makes it faster and quicker to see that little nurse and know that I'm in all of the medical records. It's just a fun way to customize your categories. You have, like I said, 2 pages of icons to choose from. Every single category that you have, you can assign a different little icon to. So it just helps with your sorting. So that's just a quick, fast little eBite about icons in Worldox categories. I hope it's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, you can always visit our website or give us a call. Thank you.